Every time you shadow box, alright, make sure you get the maximum reach of your arms. Don't throw it halfway. You need to get the muscle memory, alright? And every time, make sure you have balance. Be flexible. Don't just stand there punching, alright? You are not a bag. Always moving. The key is to always moving. When you move, you find more angles, alright? Not just standing there like a bag.
ก็การเล่นลมไม่ถูกวิธีออกให้สุดพยายามรีแลกซ์ตัวเองให้ได้แล้วก็ขาต้องบาลานซ์ตัวเองให้อยู่